Hello dear students. Today we will be discussing on how to prepare profit and loss appropriation account. So before we start up with the solutions, some quick tips for you to easily solve the problems. Interest on capital. It is allowed to compensate the partners who contribute high amount towards capital if provided in partnership deed. Now, there are some partners who will contribute a huge amount of capital. Now, apart from their regular dividends or their profits, they also expect certain amount of interest on capital. Now, such interest on capital should be mentioned in the partnership deed. In such a case, interest on capital is an expense for the firm. That is when you are paying to the partner. And such expenses should be recorded on the debit side of profit and loss appropriation account. Next one. Interest on drawings. The partner has to pay interest for the amount withdrawn by him for the personal use from the firm. So, suppose if a partner is withdrawing the amount, on such drawings, the firm will charge interest. Now, such interest is an income for the firm, and this should be recorded on the credit side of profit and loss appropriation account. Salary or commission. Usually, a partner who provide his service to firm will be entitled to get salary or commission if the same is provided in the deed. So suppose if a partner is rendering service, okay, or he is working extra, then such partners are entitled to get a portion of salary or commission. Again, this should be mentioned in the partnership deed. Now, when you make such payments, it is an expense for the firm and it should be recorded on the debit side of profit and loss appropriation account. Provision for managers' commission. In order to motivate managers, business provide commission to the manager in addition to their salary. So apart from the regular salary or commission, in order to motivate the managers, the company will provide managers commission. Now such commission is an expense for the firm and this should be recorded on the debit side of profit and loss appropriation account. The first problem. Sachin and Pratham commenced business in partnership on 1/4/2019 with a capital of rupees 1 lakh and rupees 80,000 respectively, agreeing to share profits and losses in the ratio of 3:2. For the year ending 31st March 2020, they earned the profits of rupees 36,000 before allowing interest on capital at 5% per annum, interest on drawings Sachin rupees 600 and Pratham rupees 1000, yearly salary of Pratham rupees 6000 and commission to Sachin rupees 4000. Their drawings during the year Sachin rupees 16,000 and Pratham rupees 20,000. Prepare profit and loss appropriation account. So the question says we need to prepare profit and loss appropriation account for the year ending 31st March 2020. Now while preparing the appropriation account, first take the profits, then take items given in the question one after the other. Remember, you should not take capital and you should not take drawings in appropriation account. Profit and loss appropriation account for the year ending 31st March 2020. Debit, credit. On debit, we will record expenses. On credit, we will record income. So let's begin with the postings. First, we need to take the net profit. The net profit given in the question is rupees 36,000 recorded on the credit side by profit and loss account, net profit in the bracket, amount rupees 36,000. Now we will take the items given in the question one after the other. The first one, interest on capital at 5% per annum. So in the question they have given Sachin's capital is 1 lakh and Pratham's capital being 80,000. On this capital amount we will charge 5% interest. So interest on capital is an expense recorded on the debit side. To interest on capital, Sachin 1 lakh into 5% is 5,000. For Pratham 80,000 into 5% is 4,000. So the total amount being 9,000. Second one, interest on drawings, Sachin rupees 600 and Pratham rupees 1,000. Interest on drawings is an income to the business posted on the credit side. By interest on drawings, Sachin 600, Pratham 1,000. So the total of this is 1,600 recorded in the amount column. Third one, yearly salary of Pratham rupees 10,000. Salary is an expense on the debit side. To Pratham's salary rupees 10,000. And commission to Sachin rupees 4,000. Again, commission is an expense. To Sachin's commission rupees 4,000. The last point, their drawings during the year, Sachin rupees 16,000 and Pratham rupees 20,000. Remember students, this we should not record in the profit and loss appropriation account. Now let's observe the debit amounts and the credit amount. We can see the credit amounts is more. So we will write this amount 37,600 on both the sides. The difference amount, that is 37,600 minus 9,000 minus 10,000 minus 4,000, we will get 14,600. Now this 14,600 should be distributed between Sachin and Pratham in the profit sharing ratio. So the profit sharing ratio is 3:2. So Sachin will get 3/5 and Pratham will get 2/5. Now let's see how this distribution is done. Distribution of profit, Sachin 14,600 into 3/5 and Pratham 14,600 into 2/5. So with this we complete the solution on profit and loss appropriation account.